Hey everyone! Welcome to our easy English conversation zone. Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Lesson 7. Let's get started. I start my day with a positive mind. I try to stay calm in every situation. My work teaches me something new every day. I try to do my best. I focus on improvement. I take my job seriously. I follow instructions carefully. I pay attention to details. Details make work perfect. I try not to repeat mistakes. If I don't understand something, I ask again. Asking helps me avoid confusion. I respect my coworkers. I greet everyone politely. A polite greeting creates a good start. I communicate clearly with others. Clear communication avoids problems. I use simple words when speaking. Simple English is easy for everyone. 1. Listen more and speak less. Listening helps me understand better. I stay patient while talking. I do not get angry easily. Anger creates problems. I avoid personal discussions at work. I stay focused on my duties. Focus increases my performance. I keep my mobile phone on silent. I avoid using my phone during work. I take calls only when necessary. I help others when they need support. Helping others builds trust. I give respect to get respect. I maintain good behavior with everyone. Good behavior creates a positive environment. I follow my company's culture. Company culture is important. I follow work ethics. Ethics make me responsible. I stay honest in my work. Honesty builds my character. I trust my team members. Trust makes teamwork stronger. I do my work on time. I try not to delay tasks. Delays create pressure. I avoid last-minute rush. I prepare early for everything. Preparation saves time. I plan my day in the morning. Planning helps me stay organized. I write down my tasks. Written tasks keep me focused. I complete one task at a time. Multitasking sometimes creates confusion. I stay calm under pressure. Pressure is part of the job. I handle pressure with patience. I keep control over my emotions. Professional people stay calm. I accept corrections positively. Corrections help me improve. I do not take corrections personally. I say thank you when someone helps me. Kind words matter. I avoid gossip at work. Gossip is harmful. I stay away from negative people. Negativity disturbs peace. I choose positivity every day. I respect others' time. I do not waste time. I complete my work before deadlines. Deadlines teach responsibility. I try to do everything properly. I take breaks when allowed. Breaks refresh my body. I drink water often. Staying hydrated gives energy. I take care of my health. Health is important for work. I sleep early to stay fresh. Good sleep improves my performance. I eat healthy food. Healthy food gives energy. I avoid junk food at work. I clean my tools after work. Clean tools last longer. I store everything in the right place. Good organization helps everyone. I respect my manager. I listen to instructions carefully. I try to follow rules properly. Rules make work safe. I report problems without delay. Reporting helps the company. I appreciate others' work. Appreciation motivates people. I work hard for my future. Every day I am getting better.